नमस्ते बेटियों, खुश रहिए। आई एम सिमरन वाली, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University from Faculty of Education and Methodology from Fashion Department. Today we'll discuss about the fashion business, and what are the roles of a fashion designer in fashion business, merchandiser role and retailer's roles. So let's begin with a topic. So role of fashion designer. A fashion designer designs and assists with a production of clothing, shoes and accessories individually, trades and select styles, fabric, colors, prints, trends for the collection. Fashion designers either design haute couture or ready-made garments or clothing. So the basic thing of designer that they product and they select everything in the clothing must be needing not only the fabric but the print of fabric, the fabric trims for example कि fabric में buttons कौन से लगेंगे, इसमें zipper कौन सी होगी, किस टाइप के tassels होंगे, कौन सी accessories हैं जो fashion trims में use होंगी, like different type of stones, embroidered है, तो उसमें कौन सा design है, everything a designer select and work on that. And even the designer को सबसे ज़्यादा ये important में ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि what are the trends are going on. Even colors पर trend है, जो fashion forecasting है, उन designers को वो देखना चाहिए, and they must know that what are the trends in a fashion forecasting. The print section, the color section, the what are the trending nowadays, which type of colors that the consumer they want in their designs. Even the designers जो है वो haute couture dresses और ready-made garment दोनों design करते हैं. Raw haute couture dresses are the unique dresses or fashionable dresses जो fashion shows में you can see that fashion shows में जो different dresses होती हैं, like they are more expensive and not easy to wear, especially they are more detailed in their garments. उनकी जो embroidered होती है बहुत detailed work में होती है. Fabric is very expensive. उनकी जो colors होती हैं, जो designs होते हैं, they are so unique. And they also design a ready to wear garments जो भी आप कस्टमर खरीदे और उसको पहन सके without any alteration or anything. So what are the responsibilities of fashion designer? Let's discuss about that topic. So fashion designer responsibilities: making design purpose for a concept through to final styling, conducting marketing research to identify new trends, fabrics techniques, and a skilling design inspiration. So it's very important कि जो भी डिजाइन है वो पूरा का पूरा मैनेज करे, पूरा प्रोसेस, उसका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उस डिजाइन से लेके उसके फाइनल स्टाइलिंग तक पूरे डिजाइन का ध्यान रखें. मार्किंग की जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है, न्यू ट्रेंड्स है, फैब्रिक है, टेक्निक है, उससे इंस्पायर होके वो अपने डिजाइन्स बनाए. Even the collaboration with a teamwork to select seasonal themes, make edit to line and create a new concept. They can go for seasonal themes, like for the summer seasons, we need a different clothing wear. For the winter, these are the two, summer and winter. In the mid, there are more like the autumn wear and the spring wear. Also, there are fashion shows, different type of fashion shows held in different places for different designs, colors, themes, and to get a new concept in a clothing wear. So essentially, product is arranged in a business strategy. It's very important to handle a business strategy in designing. जो भी स्ट्रेटजीज हैं, जो मार्केट में आपको फैब्रिक डिजाइन लेके आना है तो उनकी कौन सी स्ट्रेटजीज होनी चाहिए, उसको कैसे पब्लिश करें, ऑल दिस थिंग्स शुड बी इम्पोर्टेंट इवन फॉर द फैशन डिजाइनर. Selecting fabric and trims is very important. On the basis of fabric and trims you can design anything. And if the design is for summer, so you should the designer should keep in this mind that the fabric should be soft and a soft visible, जो भी sweat को easily resist कर सके और easy to wear होना चाहिए, itching नहीं होनी चाहिए, but light fabric होना चाहिए. Even same for the winter wear, that the fabric should be warm, and plus the designer look should also be good. So creating production, sketching for a development, packaging, it's very important. Without any sketching, you can't imagine that what type of design you want, and collaborating with a technical design to ensure a development package are accurate, reproving a product and styling and fit during a presentation, in present a story, mood and color board, and to supply to buyers. It's very important. If you are going for storyboard, then the designer must know that from which thing you are inspired for the designer, what type of colors you will select for your design, and even the designer can tell you that what they want for their design. So next is fashion merchandisers. Fashion merchandisers oversee the style design of a garment and accessories in retailing. In retailing, clothing stores and a costume supplies or a fashion business. In the fashion merchandisers, responsibility to prevent fashion trend plans or implies a story layout, purchase, apparel, and collaboration with design. So it's very important if you're designing in a merchandising field, तो जो clothing stores हैं, clothing supply होना चाहिए, fashion houses में, even fashion merchandiser should know the trend of fashion designers. उनकी जो layout होनी चाहिए apparel की, designs की should be accurate and in a perfect way. So then micro merchandiser, cross merchandiser, visual merchandiser, digital merchandiser, promotion merchandiser, and automatic merchandiser. These are for different merchandisers, what they need. Even virtual merchandiser we have seen in the export houses. They are work for a design for designing purposes of the fabric, trims, colors, prints, all these things they design. In the export house, the digital merchandisers do the digital printing in the app of like a Photoshop, Corel Draw, that they can create new print from a theme and do a very great work in their digital way to express their design in a perfect way. And proportion merchandiser promote their fashion, their products in different way, and they can also do with different social medias and a different way to get their clothing promoted. The next is fashion merchandiser responsibilities is execute and the latest fashion design, buying pattern, demo crafting for a target market. It's very important that you must know that which type of target market you select for your design, like for the high style, for the middle class, even for a democratic area, like if you are designing for the people living in hilly areas or desert areas or the sea areas. All the way the clothing and the style will be different, because the people living in the hilly areas need a warm clothes, and that should be give them a good heat. Yeah, on the other hand, if you're designing clothing for a desert area people, you should keep in mind that the clothes should be cotton based and should be soft, that they can handle the heat of that area. So creating apparel visual design that suits our target market, buying budgets, and a latest trends. Creating a monthly visual merchandising strategy and a budget for multiple locations. It's very important to see that what is the budget of the designers and the consumers, and to see and on the basis of that the visual merchandiser go on a strategy and a budget design. So plan, source, and oversee implements of the store layout, the necessary appliance accessories, and the footwear to complete design. Collaboration with fashion designers, suppliers, and distributors to neglect and contact a final uh, deal lines. So work closely with a marketing department to discuss advertisements requirements and the campaign. So it's important to do a good marketing and advertisement campaign to know people about your designs, and they must for that they so that they can purchase them. Attend fashion show or trend fair and a seminar on on the behalf of the fashion. If you attend fashion shows, trend fairs, so you can know that what the designs and trends are being followed and upcoming for the season. Meet with a sales manager to discuss sales report and a customer feedback. You must know that if we are designing something, and you must need to talk with a sales manager that you should report that you they can report them for a design work that the consumers are liking that designs or not, so that they can give you good feedback about the designs. Ensure all the stores have enough supply and introvert to complete visual display. A visual display is important because whenever you're going for the out designs, you must know that the visual display always give you a look for your designs. The outer showcase of the design will look complete good. So next is what are retail roles. Retail involves the scale of goods for a single point, malls, marketing departments, stores, etc. Directly to the consumers in a small quantity to his end use. In a layman language, retailing is nothing but a transaction of goods between the sellers and the end users. User a unit, single unit pieces or in a some quantity to satisfy the needs and individual for a like consumers. So basically, what is retailing things to reach your product with a कंज्यूमर्स रिटेलर से आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट वो कंज्यूमर पे जाता है स्केलिंग पे, उसको रिटेलिंग गोल कहते हैं कि वो चाहे वो मार्केट से हो, मॉल से हो या डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर से हो. So retailing skills are consumers की जो सर्विस होनी चाहिए, रेटिंग सर्विसेज होनी चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंडेशन होनी चाहिए, रिसॉल्विंग complain and see whatever the consumers are complaining for, so you should resolve their problems. Information technology like for the cash registry, computer skills honi chahiye, point of scale systems, attend to deal visual merchandise hona chahiye, window display अच्छी होनी चाहिए for to know that what the trending fashion is, and merchandiser होना चाहिए, जो product की knowledge होनी चाहिए अच्छे से, so you can tell that what the product is of. And so next is categorization of the retailers in the entire distribution chain. A retailer is considered to be the final link who deals directly with the customers. A retailer purchases in bulk from a wholesaler and sells the product to a consumer in the small quantity. A retailer essentially maintain a variety of merchandiser to aim of the retailer is to attain maximum satisfaction by excusing their expectation and delivering explanation services. So it's very important to know that जो भी retailer है वो wholesale के उसमें ले रहा है या फिर पूरा जो भी sales है वो customer पे जा रहा है, तो they are happy with a consumer विद द प्रोडक्ट और नॉट, उनकी जो चेन है वो फाइनल लिंक तक पहुंचे, लाइक फॉर द जो लिंक है वो रिटेलर्स का कंज्यूमर सा है, तो डायरेक्ट लिंक होता है। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो टेक कि होलसेल पे है या फिर कंज्यूमर से है। This is for now, and in next topic we'll discuss more about the fashion business. Thank you and have a nice day.